Good night, teacher. Good night, classmates. The motival phrase. Act as if what you do makes a difference. It does. William James. Uh, the topic is choosing the perfect hotel for your next business trip. Name Evelyn Tipanguan. Teacher Amparo Romero. Uh, choosing the perfect hotel for your next business trip. When when you of the case to successful business trip is securing appropriate accommodation, your choice of hotel can make or break a trip. Location. In general, location is the number one factor when selecting a hotel for your business trip. Security. Even in the security country you are traveling to is considered security is always an issue to keep in mind. Quality. When it comes to choosing accommodation, quality is a crucial factor. You want to avoid any stress and ensure your hotel is both comfortable and has all the necessary. Costs. When you are on a business trip, you don't always want to spend an excessive amount of money on hotel. You won't be spending much time in. A bibliography, scientific article. A questionnaire. Thank you, teacher.